If you're looking for the best dashcam under 100, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So, let's get started. The number one position is dominated by Rexing V1 4K Ultra HD Dashcam. The Rexing V1 4K Ultra HD Dashcam takes dashcams further by recording videos in 4K Ultra HD thanks to its OmniVision OV4689 chipset. Instead of relying on batteries for backup power, Rexing uses supercapacitor, which gives it a broad operating temperature range from 20 to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, as well as giving it enhanced longevity over batteries while making it safe from heat-related battery explosions. If the G sensor is triggered by a collision, the camera automatically locks the video to prevent it from being accidentally overridden. When the GPS function is turned on, it will record information like your speed and location. Thousands of reviewers swear by the Rexing. This is the only front-facing camera, so you won't get coverage in the rear of your vehicle. Its Wi-Fi option that allows you to upload footage to an app on your mobile phone is a great feature, but be sure the app is compatible with your phone model. Moving on to the next at number 2 with VanTop H610 rear view mirror with Dashcam. The VanTop H610 rear view mirror with Dashcam is one of the most versatile dashcams on the market. It's designed to attach over your existing rear view mirror. It has a 2.5K Ultra HD front camera with a 160-degree field of view and a 1080p HD rear camera with 140-degree field of view, which gives it a much more comprehensive recording area. The rear camera also provides reverse parking guidance, but that function requires tapping into your reverse light wearing. The night vision sensor is powered by the latest Sony Starvis IMX335 image sensor, which provides excellent performance in low light conditions. The mirror also features a 10-inch IPS touchscreen, making it incredibly responsive to change between the viewing options as well as adjusting the setup of the system. If the emergency sensor is triggered in an accident, the camera locks the video to prevent it from being erased. While this camera system takes more time and effort to properly install than some of the others on the list, this one is a very high-functioning and reliable camera once you do get it set up. So don't let the need to spend a little extra time to hook it up deter you from getting a great product. The number 3 position is held by Roav by Anker A1 Dashcam. The Roav by Anker A1 Dashcam provides excellent clarity of its videos thanks to the Sony Exmor sensor and chipset. It records videos in 1080p HD. The advanced Nighthawk vision technology enhances its night vision performance, which is crucial for capturing details like license plate numbers in poor light. With the Roav app on your mobile device, you can conveniently download video clips wirelessly through Wi-Fi, while its competitors require the camera, a memory card to be removed and inserted into a computer to access the videos. It has a wide-angle lens allowing for up to 4 lanes of video to be captured. The built-in G sensor allows for the camera to be activated when motion is felt, like if someone bumps your vehicle when it is parked. The mount allows plenty of adjustment to fit any vehicle on mounting locations. Please note that this model of camera does not come equipped with an SD card, so you will need to buy one prior to use. We recommend a Class 10 32GB card or higher. Be sure to format the card inside the camera to ensure proper function before using it. Next at number 4, we have Aukey DR-A1 1080p Dashcam. If you would like your vehicle to act as a discrete surveillance system, the Aukey DR-A1 1080p Dashcam could be that device. The function can be turned on, but it requires a continuous power supply. While it can be a great function, just be aware that if turned on, it can drain the battery of infrequently used vehicles. Setting the camera up and reviewing videos is easy with its large 2.7-inch LCD display. Aukey includes 2 mounts in the box. A suction cup mount if you like to move the camera between vehicles. and an adhesive mount for a more permanent installation. The camera has a large f1.8 aperture with a 170-degree field of view and will record in 1080p. A 6G lens system increases the sharpness and clarity of recordings. This is a compact and well-designed camera, but it doesn't come with a rear camera or the ability to loop to record. So that's something to consider prior to purchasing. You may want to buy extra SD cards to store footage until you're ready to view it or erase it. The number 5 position is held by ApeMan Dash Cam 1080p. The ApeMan Dash Cam 1080p deserves an honorable mention for being an excellent all-around, well-functioning dashcam that's offered at a refreshingly low price point. Its 1080p offers superior resolution and clear images that are very comprehensive thanks to the FHD 170-degree wide-angle lens that the camera is equipped with. A large 3-inch screen allows you the ability to replay important moments even while driving. A built-in G sensor is capable of automatically detecting a sudden shake or impact and will lock the footage so that it can't be overridden even during looped recording, so no need to worry about losing key footage. This camera isn't a dual lens system, so you'll only get to see incidents that occur from the front of the vehicle. But it's a great price point and more than makes up for any drawbacks. Next at number 6, we have ToGuard Dual Dashcam with IR Night Vision. If you want to record what's going on inside your car as well as outside, the ToGuard Dual Dashcam with IR Night Vision is the perfect solution. This is an excellent option for Uber drivers, taxi drivers, or ride sharers. The cleverly designed camera features two 6-glass HD lenses that simultaneously record to provide in tandem sequences of events both in and out of your vehicle. The interior-facing camera features 4 brightly lit LED lights with an f1.8 aperture for creating high-quality, clear images in low lighting conditions. This system is also equipped with loop recording, parking monitoring, and G-sensor motion detection capabilities for added peace of mind. While this is technically a dual camera system, the second camera is really designed for interior use and won't function as well as a camera that is specifically made to sit outside and monitor the rear of your vehicle. Finally, at number 7 with Crosstour CR600 Dual Dashcam. The Crosstour CR600 Dual Dashcam offers surprisingly excellent value as it is one of the most reasonably priced dashcams and it comes with a rear-facing camera. Also, if you're not a fan of suction cup type mounts, this unit uses a mount with industrial-grade 3M tape that adheres to your windshield. The front camera will record 170 degrees of video in 1080p HD, while the rear camera will record 120 degrees of video in 720p HD. It also has an intelligent parking function which automatically starts recording for 30 seconds if the vehicle is bumped. The same G-sensor also locks a recording when the car is bumped or in a collision, just in case you need it as evidence. To boost its low-light performance, the front camera uses an f1.8 aperture while the rear uses f2.4 aperture and an image sensor that provides high dynamic range processing. This model comes with a 32GB micro SD card, which isn't the greatest for storing more than a few minutes of data, so you might want to upgrade to something with a bit more capacity, or keep a couple of spares on hand. That's all for today. We upload product review videos in every single day, so don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notifications.